we are going to start with weather. Okay. Weather and seasons. Now, in Thailand, you pretty much only have technically 2 seasons. You have summer and then you have your rainy season.
Raining. Yes.
Okay. So in most other countries, we have 4 seasons. We have summer, we have spring, we have autumn, and we have fall. Okay. Now it depends on where you're from. These words might have different names. Okay. So let's look at the ones that they gave us here. Okay. So first, it says, how many seasons are there? It says around the world, in most places around the world, there are 4 seasons. Okay. The first one, it is spring. That is when you go outside and you see all the trees are very, very green. All the flowers are nice and bright. And we see all of the plants are making new flowers. Like this picture here at the top, we say this is spring.
Spring.
Yes. Okay. So spring is when new flowers start to grow. Okay.
Okay.
The next one is what we call autumn.
Autumn.
Autumn. Yes. This is what happens usually before the winter. Okay. This is when all the trees, they start, all the leaves and everything, they fall off the trees. Okay.
Okay.
So it will be technically autumn and then it will be spring. Okay. So it's going to go like this. It's going to go summer, winter, autumn, spring, and then from spring, it's going to go back to summer. So it's always going to go like this. Okay. So autumn. So if let's start where it begins in the summer. Okay. That is when the sun is always out and it is very hot and sunny. Okay. Obviously you live in Thailand, so you know what summer is. Okay. The next one you are not familiar with because this does not happen in Thailand. It is the winter. Okay. The winter is obviously just when it is very, very cold outside. Now, many countries, it will just become very cold. For example, in South Africa, where I am from, we don't really have snow. But it does become very, very, very cold. Sometimes they say what we call negative. So -2. Whereas in Thailand, most of the time it's about 36, 34, let's say 34. About in Thailand, most time it's about 32, 33, 34 degrees. Okay. So for us, if we go from summer to winter, there is a very big difference. It drops so far down that if you go outside, it feels like everything is starting to freeze. It gets very, very, very cold. Okay. If you go to places like Switzerland, America, Canada, these places, they will have snow. Okay. And this is usually around the November, December mark. And then it will be snowing. And then we have what I said earlier is autumn. That is when all the leaves and all the flowers will fall off the trees so that new ones can grow. Okay. So after autumn, after all these brown leaves and everything fall off the trees, then new ones will grow. That is going to be spring. Okay. Then you will see new flowers and it always smells very good outside and it always looks very colorful and very beautiful. And then after spring, it's going to stay like that through summer until the winter comes, and then we will start again. So it's always going to go around and around. But these are the 4 seasons that we have: summer, autumn, winter, spring. Okay. Okay, now it says, what is the difference between the weather and the climate?
Climate.
Okay, so here is our first little hint. It says, weather happens over a short time in a place. Okay, this can mean for a few days or for a few hours, sometimes even for a few minutes. For example, very common in Thailand where you would go outside and it would be very hot. And you're like, ooh, it's so hot today. And then all of a sudden it begin to rain. Okay. So when it is very hot and then it began to rain, we say that the weather is changing. Okay.
Okay.
Now this usually happens for maybe a few hours. Sometimes it will happen for a few days. Sometimes, for example, the rainy season, it happens for a few weeks or a few months. Okay.
Okay.
And then it says for the climate, it says the climate is the weather over a long time. For example, the climate, a very good explanation for this would be, again, if you think about Thailand, okay?
Okay.
The climate is how it feels outside because it is always hot, okay? So you will have in Thailand what we call a tropical climate. Okay. Canada, sorry, not Canada. Australia is very, very similar to Thailand because it's always hot. Okay. So we say you have a tropical climate. Okay. Meaning it is always either cold or it's always either raining or it's always only hot. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, if you go to America, you're going to have weather patterns. You're going to have summer, winter, spring, autumn, because it changes the whole time. Whereas in places like the North Pole, the South Pole, Antarctica, Thailand, Australia, Malaysia, all of these places, they have a climate because it always feels the same. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the difference between the two. Okay, climate and the weather. Okay, now it says over here, let's talk about weather. Okay, so the one on the left, we are going to call this, if you see this symbol, we are going to say that it is
sun.
Sunny, okay?
Sunny.
So if I ask you, what is the weather like in the morning when you wake up? You are going to say it is sunny.
It is sunny.
Because the sun is already coming out. So we say it is sunny. The sun is shining. Okay. How about the next one? How about the next one? When you cannot see the sun. Okay. This is usually when it's cold or when it is raining or before it starts to rain. We will say it is
cold.
Okay, so for this one, we are going to say it is cloudy.
Cloudy.
Because this is what we call a cloud. Okay.
Cloudy.
So if you see many of them in the sky, we are going to say it is cloudy, meaning there are a lot of clouds in the sky. Okay.
Okay.
So the next one, these ones should give it away.
Winter.
So this one is going to be windy.
Windy.
It is when the wind blow outside. It's also not very common in Thailand. It's not very common. This we get a lot in the autumn and spring. It is when you go outside and the wind blow you. Okay, so we say it is it is windy.
Windy.
Okay. The next one we are going to say it is stormy.
Stormy.
Okay. This happens in Thailand a lot. This is when you hear the thunder.
Yes.
And then you see the rain and you see the clouds. Okay. We call it is stormy.
Stormy.
Okay. The next one, also very common in Thailand, it is rainy.
Landing.
That is when it is raining or there is a lot of rain for a long time. You're going to look outside and you're going to say, oh, it is very rainy today. Okay. The next one is what we call snowy.
Snowy.
Okay. This is when it is, when it is snowing like this. So this weather that you see in this picture, we are going to say that this is snowy.
Snowy.
And this is going to be sunny. Okay. The next one, it's foggy. Okay.
Foggy.
So have you ever gone out early in the morning and then in front of you it is white and you cannot really see the road? So for example, let's see if we can find a better picture of foggy so we can explain to you a little bit better what that is. Okay. This one. Okay. So okay, this is foggy.
Okay.
Have you seen this before?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this usually happens early in the morning. Okay, we call it foggy.
Foggy.
Okay. Then the next one, we are going to say it is partly cloudy. Okay, so if I were to just do this, I'm just going to minimize this. I'm going to just share my whole screen so that I can go through the website and through the other one. Okay. So this is going to be cloudy. Okay. So if we look at what cloudy looks like, so this is a good example of cloudy. Okay. When we only see a lot of clouds when we look up. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, this is cloudy. But if we say partly cloudy, it is when we can also see the sun. Okay. So this will be partly cloudy when there are only a few clouds in the sky. When there are many, many of them, we say it is cloudy. But when there are only a few, we say it is partly cloudy.
Partly cloudy.
Partly cloudy, yes. Okay. So these are all the weather conditions together. We have foggy.
Foggy, windy, partly cloudy, snowy, stormy, sunny, cloudy.
Okay, so these are a few very common weather. These are a very few common weather indicators telling us what the weather is like.